Upgrade your home with weather-resistant solutions from All Pro Timber Crown Roofing, specializing in tile roof installation, delivering lasting protection, curb appeal, and dependable performance for every season. Experience superior materials and expert installation that increase property value, reduce maintenance costs, and withstand harsh coastal conditions. Choose All Pro Timber Crown Roofing today to secure long-term reliability, energy efficiency, and a roof that stands strong against time lasting. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a tile roof installation service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Timber Crown Roofing. What types of tiles are used for roofing? Common roofing tiles include clay, concrete, and composite options, each offering durability, weatherproof protection, and style variety, making them reliable materials for long-lasting roofing performance across different structural designs. Is tile roofing suitable for all climates? Tile roofing performs well in many climates, offering durability and weatherproof protection, but proper installation, ventilation, and structural support are essential to ensure performance in extreme cold, heat, or coastal conditions. What is the service area for your Longport, New Jersey location? Our tile roof installation service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Longport, Margate City, Summers Point, Linwood, Northfield, Ocean City, Ventnor City, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Beasley's Point, Marmora, Palermo, Egg Harbor Township, Zion Park, Absecon, Brigantine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, and Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Where is your Longport, New Jersey tile roof installation service office located? We are located at 202 North Colgate Avenue, Longport, New Jersey 08403. Our phone number is 640-500-2297. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Longport-NJ.